Collaboration isn't just about making work easier, it is about making results bigger. So, how can we build a collaborative culture? Here are 5 practical steps. Number 1, protect time for collaboration. We can't say collaboration matters if we don't schedule it. What gets scheduled gets done. So school leaders, it is your job to make sure that there is built-in time in the day where teachers can collaborate together. It can't be, well, I need you to stay after, I need you to come in early, I need it to be on a Saturday. Like, we need to begin to build these things into the day for our staff so they don't have to do it in their free time. Number 2, model vulnerability. As a leader, as a teacher, you must go first. Say I don't know if you don't know. Say I need help if you need help. Say let's figure this out together if you are ready to figure this out together. Your vulnerability is going to make teamwork safe. Number 3, clarify roles and goals. Teams fall apart when people don't know who's doing what and what are we working towards. Clear roles equals less conflict. Clear goals equals more unity. Try to over-explain so people know and it is very clear what they are supposed to do. If you over-explain and you are very clear on what the expectations are, what people need to be doing, when people fall short, it is easier to hold them accountable because there are no communication gaps. Number 4, we need to celebrate team wins loudly. If you want people to collaborate, show them that you see when they are collaborating. Recognition is going to fuel repeated behavior. Say this again. Recognition is going to fuel repeated behavior. What gets watered grows. Celebrate groups, not just the individuals. And number 5, we need to address conflict early. Conflict ignored becomes culture destroyed. Healthy teams don't avoid conflict. And let me be very clear. Healthy teams have conflict. Healthy relationships have conflict. People are under this impression that if you have a healthy relationship with someone, with your team, with your organization, with whoever, that conflict is not going to happen. That is just not true. Healthy teams do not avoid conflict. They manage it respectfully. Small problems handled early prevent big problems later. So, if you want a collaborative team, I need us to protect collaboration time. I need us to model vulnerability. I need us to clarify roles and goals. I need us to celebrate team wins, and I need you to address conflict early. Collaboration can't just be something that we demand. It is something that you build, and when you build it right, your culture shifts from mine to ours.